Real estate for sale. Premium land for sale in Ibadan Oyo State Nigeria. Discover your dream home at Excel Villas, Ibadan. Prime real estate opportunity with unbeatable prices. Excel Villas is your gateway to premium living in the heart of Ibadan, brought to you by PWAN Royale. Nestled beside the prestigious Ilaji Hotel Resort in Akaran Onaara local government area, this development promises comfort, convenience, and a secured investment. Choose your perfect plot. 300 square meters, just 450,000 naira or 540,000 naira with a 12-month installment plan. 600 square meters, only 900,000 naira or 1,080,000 naira with a 12-month installment plan. Exclusive offer. Buy 3 plots and get 1 free. Neighborhood highlights. Close proximity to health technology, Ibadan. Onaara, local government secretariat. Ilaji Hotel Resort, easy access to Alakia Airport. Conveniently near Lagos-Ibadan Expressway. Estate features: gated and secured environment, excellent road network, modern street lights, quick allocation for early movers, inspection details, available every day, Monday to Saturday at 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. Takeoff points: CB Challenge, Maliti. Road off Idioto Roundabout opposite UBA PLC Challenge Ibadan. Office locations: Head Office 36B, Freedom Way, Lekki Phase 1, opposite Delta Afrique Atlanta, Lagos. PWAN Group Office, CB Challenge, Jock Maleti Road off Idioto Roundabout, opposite UBA PLC, Challenge, Ibadan. Secure your future with Excel Villas, where dreams meet reality.